Okay, so we want to continue talking about just how much energy does the world use. And so this particular chart uses a unit of energy called the quad. And so I wanted to give you an idea for what a quad is. And you can see that one quad is equal to 293 billion kilowatt hours. So a billion is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros there. And so that would be equivalent to 293 terawatt hours. So in our previous chart, we said that the units on this was in terawatt hours. And so one quad is equivalent to 293 terawatt hours. And then it also gives the quad in terms of how many barrels of oil it would be equivalent to, and how many tons of coal, and how much natural gas it would be equivalent to. It's a big, big number. And so on this chart, it breaks it down by how much energy is the developing world using, and how much energy is North America using, and then how much energy is Asia using, and so forth. And so what you'll notice is that most of the industrialized countries are kind of leveling off in the amount of energy that they are using. However, you'll notice that the blue line, which is going up, those are the developing countries. And so they are using energy at a much greater rate in order to be able to catch up with the developed countries. So how much energy does the United States use? Well, this is a kind of, again, a very complicated graph, but it shows how that we use nuclear energy, and we use coal, and we use oil, and we use natural gas, and then it shows where does those various kinds of energy, where do they go? So some of that energy goes into gasoline for automobiles. Some of that energy goes to power plants in order to make electricity. Some of that energy goes to manufacturing plants that makes products, for example. And so if you want to look at that in more detail, you can. All right, let's take another break, and when we come back, we're going to start talking about different kinds of energy, beginning with hydrocarbons.